Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have your domain and login. Now open the DNS management for that domain and authenticate. Once logged in, navigate straight to the Zone Editor or DNS Records area and choose Add Record. Make sure you know whether the TXT is for root at or a specific subdomain because that choice changes the name field. Enter the reason, SBF, verification token, or other so you can format the value correctly. Now create the record. Pick TXT as the type and set the name to @ for the root or the exact subdomain string required by the service. Paste the full TXT value exactly as provided. Some services include spaces or quotes. Follow their format and trim accidental line breaks. Choose a TTL, defaults are fine, 3,600 seconds is common, and then save. After saving, note that propagation can take minutes to hours, so don't assume immediate global visibility. Once saved, verify the TXT by querying with dig or ENS-lookup against public resolvers and the authoritative name server. Make sure the name matches exactly and the value matches character for character. Many failures come from missing quotes, stray spaces, or using the wrong hostname. If you see old records, clear your local DNS cache and wait for propagation, often minutes but occasionally up to 48 hours. If problems persist, reopen the DNS editor and correct the name or value, then save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.